today I'm going to be opening up a Great Ball, because why not? Inside there's 3 packs. It also comes with an Inte coin, which is quite neat actually. Seems like we're catching legendaries in just a simple Great Ball. Which is that difficult. The first one is just a regular Sword and Shield pack. I open with these. Oh, and also here is the code. That's 1 Steel Energy, Bead, Ordinary Rod, Drizzle, Flipbug, Sobble, Minchino, Bonita, Galarian Form, Landite, Sandaconda, and then Claydol. Nothing real interesting in that set. Move it off to the side. And Rebel Clash. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with these cards. There it goes. I seem to be having a lot of trouble with them lately. Where's the card packs? Oh yeah. Here is the code. I will show them off in the end as well. Fighting Energy, Tool, Scraper, Dan, Charcoal, Milcery, Growlithe, Impidimp, Phantom, Bunnelby, Voltorb, and then Electivire. Electivire is a kind of cool card. Or a kind of cool Pokemon. Not my preferred electric type. That's a nice card. Okay, here is the code. I don't think I did that right. And I did. Steel Energy, Ariados. One of my favorite Pokemon actually is Ariados. Old PC. Lairon, Jigglypuff, Diano, City, Goldet, Hippopotas, Decidueye, little card, and then Vanilluxe. Decidueye is kind of cool. Alright, I believe that's, yeah, it's all for the Ultra Ball. The first code, the second code, and the third code. I am also doing an Ultra Ball as well. Let me just open it real quick. Another coin. It seems like we're catching legendaries and ultra and great balls. Everything but a master ball. Rebel Clash. These cards are these buttons. There it goes. Here is the code. Fire Energy. Ooh, Luxio. Actually, one of my brother's favorite cards. Durant, Polysand, Voltorb, Growlithe, Dreepy, Snowbear, Binacle, Charcoal, Carkle, and Double V. What? Nice little card. That's actually a really sick card. If you know how much, if this is a rare card, please put it down in the comments. I would love to know. It can go in this little cool binder I have. So far I just have Double Will V and the Rillaboom VMAX I got to beat last time. Neat cards, really neat. Oh, and the Sword and Shield one. I'm having so much trouble with these. For some reason, I just cannot open these. Not sure. Oh, there it goes. Here is the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Seeking, Big Charm, Roadhog Bike, Bullpix, Minchino, Silicobra, Rogunk, Bulltoy, and Cramorant. All good cards. And then Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze. Here's the code. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy, Ursaring, Yellowhorn, Relicanth, Clink, Dunsparce, Jigglypuff, Dio, Skitty. Ooh, that's a nice Squire art. And then Grimmsnarl V. Ooh, how much is this? Tell me in the comments how rare this is. Ooh, that's a neat little card. That makes 2 really good cards. That's really neat. So that makes Grimmsnarl V and Double V. It's so neat. 2 in the... It's really cool, actually. What is the chance? Now remember, tell me in the comments how rare these is, because I actually don't know. Double V and Grimmsnarl V. There's the little binder I'm holding them in. Just a little neat. Just a little neat small binder. Nothing too fancy. That's actually really neat. Alright, but here, remember, this is the, oh, sorry, that's the third code. This is the first code. Here, yeah, this is the first code. This is the second code. And this is the third code. Anyway, have a nice day. Goodbye.